Hey, I'm Cesar from Chatwith. Today we are going to talk about how to make a pop-up with a WhatsApp form instead of the widget, let's say. So let me show you what I have done. So this is like a demo for you. So this is a website. Let's say this is a normal website you have, with some content, and you want this type of widget that pop-ups and you capture the lead. In this case, this is to show you that you can add like a booking system in this pop-up, so you can capture a lead with a booking, for example. How we did it? Let's go to the dashboard. We have a plugin. In this case, I'm going to talk about two plugins. One is Popup Builder and the other one is Popup Maker. Both I think are very good because are free, and you can do what we are going to show you to do. Like you can add a pop-up modal with a WhatsApp form on it. Okay, so in this case we create the widget, we go here, we edit, and as you can see we have add the code for the form. I'm going to show you how to make this form, and it's very simple, very straightforward. You put the code here, and then you can define how you want the modal to behave. In this case is show everywhere, and I think we had some delay. I think the events is on load and 5 seconds, for example. There are other things you can do, like click, hover, other rules, but this is just to show you the basics about how you can make a pop-up window with a WhatsApp form. So this works. As you can see, if you go to the website, I'm going to remove it just so if you access the website later on, it's not going to be there, because for me it's a bit annoying, and honestly I prefer the widget as as a way to get leads. But if you don't like the widget and you prefer the pop-up, this is a way to get it done. So first case, this plugin, the pop-up, I think the pop-up builder, free. You can get it from WordPress. You just need to create a new one. You need to add a new pop-up. When you add the new pop-up, you only need to add the code here. To add the code in the pop-up, you need to choose this element. I think is HTML. Yeah, HTML, and you just paste the code here. That's it. You need to add HTML because it's the code. This code is going to generate the WhatsApp form. Okay. Hope it's clear. I hope you follow up. I think it's easy, but just in case, I will try to go like step by step so you can understand how to get it done. Okay, so this is option number one. Option number two, let me open an incognito window. Let's go here. This is another website. I was doing a test, so you can see that this is the other modal. This is another plugin. I'm going to show you the plugin so you can see how this one works. So let's go to the admin section. I think it's this one. Yep. The plugin is Popup Maker. Okay. In this case, let's see, the one I created is here. This is the code, and the same. We put the code here, and then that's the same. It's like similar interface behavior. It's like you need to define what goes into the pop-up and how that pop-up is